DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are taking a simple door mirror and turning it into a beautiful antique mirror. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make an antique mirror. You can get all kinds of fancy wood trims at all of the big box hardware stores, and they're not very expensive. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.